Yeah, on paper, yeah.
Look at the claim number right there. It's 1:30. It's the 18th of March, 67 degrees. We've got our shingles marked out down here. What we're looking for is material transfer, crease, tear, nail pull through. While we're doing the repair, if we come across any of that, we'll document it up here. I'm using roof snake to remove the nails and then to re-nail the nails as well. This is the damaged shingles, so we're going to remove it. We got a row of nails right here, a row of nails right here. All right, so we got some material transfer from 5 to 3. See that piece missing right there, and there it is down there. Some material transfer. 5. My Spider-Man
Dang, dude, you got
chalk holder is not working for me.
Spidey and friends.
Material transfer. Now. Yeah, big chunk right there. So this is shingle 6. Big chunk right there. And up there you can see the fibers. Fiberglass. And then big chunk right there. So that's 6. Material transfer on 6. And then it went down on shingle X, but we're not gonna, that doesn't matter because that shingle's coming out anyway. Same thing, we got it in 2 spots. Got it here, and here. I don't know if there, and there. Perfect. Yep, so we got it right here as well. You can hand it to me, Junior. There. There.
We're gonna do another repair test.
Serial 4. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and break this seal. That one's broken. See if there's any on that one. Yeah, we got some over here. Whatever. Right there. Then you can see the chunk right there. That one came out clean. That one did too. Alright. Now I gotta remove the nails. Alright, that's a tear in that shingle. Oh, that's the shingle we're removing. It doesn't matter. Disregard that.
No. Sugar Hill. I went to Tadmore from kindergarten to 4th, and then they built Sugar Hill. So then I went to Sugar Hill. Yeah.
So we got some right here. That's the back of shingle X. The top of shingle 2.
I have a daughter that went to Myers, or is going to Myers actually.
Yeah. Well, I had to teach her. We were about to get a roof. I don't know if you know her. We were going to teach her at Myers.
Oh, you went to Myers too?
Myers Dragons.
Go Dragons.
So,
Now pull through on 6. You got it. There's that shingle. We got the better close up of that damage right there. All right, let's reinstall it with the trusty root snake. Okay, that must went a little crooked. Try that again. Did the same thing. Don't know if it's the root snake. Not doing anything different than I usually do.
Good old roof snake.
in total.
Well, their gutters are done.
The gutters are done?
Yeah.
I didn't include the gutters on it. On that receipt.
Oh, man, I'll pay back. Well, that won't work.
And then I can change it in the truck when I get done here.
Okay.
Just have to print it off again.
I'll have to print it out, yeah. This guy doesn't even have an email.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, that bro's Japanese.
Yeah.
We talked about Japan.
Yeah, he's so cool, dude. I wonder, you know, like, I don't know how, I heard he has more, but I'm gonna try to get those too later on.
Oh, Reynolds? Oh, yeah, you did say that.
Let's get the first one. Yeah, I guess I'll have to see if he still take the, or if he'll let me take the check without it, or I'll go home and print it. You'll do it, I guess, when you get off the roof?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and I guess that gives me some time.
All right, so due to the amount of material transfer, we're saying this is a failed repair attempt. We'll send in all the documentation. All right. Let's back up and get like